There is much talk across the globe on the subject of cannabis, as this plant moves from black to gray and now to marketplaces near you. Cannabis is certainly a subject of high debate. It's not exactly clear how this industry will ultimately be regulated, but there is no argument that many folks across the world are working directly and indirectly within the cannabis supply chain. The cannabis timeline has an interesting relationship with humankind over the years. From generally accepted open use to hefty regulations resulting in lengthy jail sentences, long-standing prohibition, and is currently classified as a federally illegal Schedule I drug along with heroin. In the past few years, we've unearthed ancient tombs, some over 2,500 years old, containing significant amounts of potent cannabis. Considering these facts, cannabis may be one of the first packaged goods on the planet. Some gray markets have regulations on cannabis that make it one of the most transparent products available. From seed to flower and from flower to final good, this product is tracked, traced, and quality checked nearly every step of the way to its end marketplace. I believe that regulations placed onto cannabis products may revolutionize the way that we handle and distribute food across the world. Cannabis may be one of the first categories to embrace an integrated blockchain-based supply chain and set new standards for how we transact across the globe and how consumers communicate with brands. Contrary to popular stereotypes, the cannabis industry is comprised of highly educated professionals specializing in accounting, advocacy, agriculture, compliance, customer service, sales, technology, packaging, and more. With medical marijuana now legal in well over half of the U.S. and recreational marijuana allowed in 10 states and counting, cannabis companies are scrambling to fill a rush of new jobs in the industry, an estimated 340,000 of them nationwide by 2020. While we don't want to debate the morality of this controversial product, we are the packaging school. So let's talk packaging, cannabis packaging. This is a booming market, and to give you some more stats, the global cannabis packaging market is expected to reach $5.2 billion by 2026. Based on these numbers, cannabis can look like an attractive option to entrepreneurs or those looking to make a career move into a growing industry. However, it must be noted that cannabis is federally illegal, and those entering into the business do so at high risk. This course will discuss the types of products being derived from cannabis, from traditional flower to various processed products. We'll talk about methods of packaging as well as suppliers and stakeholders in the cannabis packaging industry that work with cannabis brands. This is important as there are many limitations on transacting within this industry. We'll also give you a brief rundown of the laws and regulations surrounding the industry and uncover resources that keep up to date with these ever-evolving laws. The industry is too large to ignore, and it doesn't seem to be going anywhere anytime soon. So let's take a look and see what's out there from a packaging perspective. Are you ready? Let's start learning.